How to add music to Facebook profile. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this menu icon at the top right. Head over to your profile. Scroll all the way down and right here you should see the option of music. But if you can't find that option, then what you want to do is scroll all the way up and tap on this three dot at the top right and then click on search. In the shortcut, you'll find the option of music. Tap on it. So right now you can see that I have added one music. If you want to add more, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. In the search bar, you can search for any specific music that you want. Let me search for this music. Now simply tap on the song that you want to add. The song has been added. Now you can go back to your previous page. There you go, these songs has been successfully added to your Facebook profile. Likewise, you can add any music that you want on your Facebook profile and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.